I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax, and today we're going to walk through an Azimut Magellano 43. This boat features a really large flybridge for its class, with seating for 6 up here that can be a dinette or converted to a sun pad as it is now. Complete helm station with great visibility, as well as a grilling and wet bar area. You've got a Kenyan grill and a sink back here, as well as an ice maker and fridge. The Salon is open and airy. Again, a 43-foot boat. You don't find this in most trawlers in this class. Also dedicated in one locker, you've got service for 6. All neatly tucked away in neoprene-lined containers. Right next to that, we've got the electrical panel, which is very straightforward and simple. You've got the lower helm where you can control your twin 355 Cummins diesels, joystick for docking. We can head into the master cabin. You can see we've got lots of natural light, big portholes and big windows. This is not something you get in most 43-foot trawlers. In fact, I've been in a lot of trawlers, and a lot of them you can't even see the ocean from the master cabin. And if you're traveling, this boat has over 1,000-mile range at trawler speeds. If you're making that kind of trip, you want to see the water. The master bath leaves nothing to be desired. You've got a beautiful sink, the hardware's gorgeous, large opening port, and a very large stall shower, especially when you consider you're on a 43-foot boat. This is the port guest cabin. You can really see how much light gets in here through these large windows. And this is the starboard cabin, or storage area. This is the shared head, very similar to the master. And with the dual mode hull, you get 1,000-mile range at trawler speeds, or you can go up to 22 knots when you need to. I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like the video, hit the subscribe button.